Welcome back to the Catholic Accent. Many communities have some sort of long-standing Advent or Christmas tradition, but one in particular features 8 live-action scenes portraying the Christmas story. Cliff Gorski takes us to the Delmont Christmas Pilgrimage.
I'll never forget the warm welcome I received by the faith community of Delmont, and I love the ecumenical cooperation. 5 different churches participate in the event.
Our son was born in '74, and so that's when the town of Delmont had the pilgrimage through the town. They had animals, and he was in a stroller, and as he got older, then we would come back. Whenever they were able to get Shields Farm, then we would go up to Shields Farm, and it's a tradition today. Our granddaughter's 13, and we started taking her when she was just a baby.
It's important to me because you get to learn about what happened when Mary and Joseph went to Bethlehem and had Jesus.
It tells them the true meaning of Christmas. It's a time when you can reflect and really know and understand what Christmas is about.
This year's Delmont Christmas Pilgrimage takes place the weekend of December 2nd and 3rd from 5 to 9 p.m. Look for details at theaccentonline.org.